Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to video 1097, where we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Phantom Wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it to Binance for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device with your XRP tokens inside. Also, ensure you have a verified Binance account. It's crucial for security and to avoid any hiccups. If you haven't linked your wallets or set up two-factor authentication, pause here and do that now. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to the XRP asset. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually right there on the main screen. Before you proceed, verify your XRP balance to ensure you have enough for the transfer, plus any network fees. Step 2. In Phantom, select the network for XRP. It's typically the XRP Ledger network, so double-check that to prevent errors. Now, enter the recipient address. This is your Binance deposit address. To find it, log into your Binance account, go to the Wallet section, select XRP, and copy the deposit address. Paste it carefully into Phantom. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, fees can vary, so subtract a little extra to cover them. Review everything on the confirmation screen: the address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a few hours to reflect in your Binance wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like XRP Scan. A quick tip: always use the correct network to avoid losing your funds, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, check Binance's support or Phantom's help center. There you have it. That's how you transfer XRP from Phantom to Binance in 2025. It's simple once you get the hang of it, and you'll be managing your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.